Most people collect keywords, but they don't actually understand what those searches mean. That's where Answer the Public becomes powerful. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze search queries with Answer the Public so you can turn raw data into real content strategy. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to run keyword searches and view real user queries. Next, enter a broad seed keyword related to your niche. This is the starting point for analyzing how people actually search for your topic. Click Search and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public organizes real search queries into categories like questions, comparisons, prepositions, and related terms. Start with the questions section. These are searches beginning with words like how, what, why, when, where, and which. These queries reveal what users actually want to learn. Now look closely at each query and ask yourself what the user really wants. Are they looking for information, a comparison, a solution, or a step-by-step guide? This is called search intent, and it's key for SEO. Next, focus on long-tail queries. These are longer and more specific searches, and they often show clearer intent and lower competition. Now compare different categories like questions, comparisons, and related searches. This helps you understand how users approach the same topic from different angles. As you analyze the queries, highlight the ones that can become blog posts, videos, FAQs, or landing pages. Focus on the ones that match your audience's needs. Next, organize your search insights into groups. This helps you build content clusters that improve your SEO structure and topical authority. Finally, use your analysis to plan content. Instead of guessing, you're now building content based on real search behavior, and that's how to analyze search queries with Answer the Public. Yeah, once you understand search intent and patterns, you can turn simple queries into a powerful content strategy. Thanks for watching, and good luck analyzing your keywords.